Armadillos. Armadillos are found in southern North America to South America. They weigh up to 120 pounds. When an armadillo gives birth, it usually has quadruplets. That means 4 babies at one time. Armadillos have armored plates of bone that cover their bodies, that act like a shield or a suit of armor. Armadillos can live in some forested areas. They eat ants and termites. Armadillos can roll into a ball to protect themselves from their enemies or predators. They also eat scorpions. Armadillo means one that is armed in Spanish. Armadillos can be up to 5 feet long.